Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming power and backups so you don't lose anything. Once done, free up the immediate environment by closing apps and disabling sleep. Next, run a disk analyzer or scanner to map large folders and duplicate files so you know what to remove. You'll see sizes and paths. Focus on files taking most space first. Make sure to note what looks unfamiliar before deleting. This prevents removing system or app-critical data. Now you act. Delete duplicates, old installers, and clear the recycle or trash to reclaim immediate space. Once that's done, move photos, videos, and archives to an external drive or cloud to keep the disk clean. Then uninstall unused applications and use built-in or third-party cleaners to clear caches and temp files. While you work, periodically rerun the analyzer to confirm space is freeing. If a folder resists, inspect permission. Finish by running the system disk cleanup utility, and then optimize the drive. Defragment an HDD or ensure trim is enabled for an SSD, so performance improves. Once complete, verify free space and open key applications to confirm stability. Make sure boot times and responsiveness match expectations. If something goes wrong, boot into safe mode or recovery and restore from your backup, or use file recovery tools. This addresses accidental deletions without risking.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.